The 2026 Oldsmobile F-85 442 marks the glorious revival of a true American muscle car legend, blending the nostalgic roar of the past with the cutting-edge technology of the future. Oldsmobile, a name long revered among classic car enthusiasts, makes a stunning comeback with the F-85 442, a modern masterpiece designed to reignite passion for raw performance and timeless design. Under the hood, the 2026 F-85 442 doesn't disappoint. It boasts a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8 engine producing an astonishing 720 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque, ensuring blistering acceleration and thunderous sound. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, rivaling top-tier supercars while maintaining the bold character of an American classic. A 10-speed automatic transmission paired with a sophisticated rear-wheel drive system delivers razor-sharp control, while adaptive suspension ensures both comfort and track-ready handling. Design-wise, the F-85 442 pays homage to its legendary 1960s and 70s ancestors with a muscular stance, wide fenders, and a sculpted body that screams performance. LED quad headlights, a modern twist on the vintage design, and a sleek blacked-out grille proudly display the 442 badge. The car sits on 21-inch forged alloy wheels, with optional carbon fiber accents for enthusiasts craving a sportier edge. Inside, luxury meets heritage. The cabin features hand-stitched leather seats with contrast stitching, brushed aluminum detailing, and digital displays that merge retro style with futuristic tech. A 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, customizable ambient lighting, and a premium Bose sound system elevate the experience, while AI-based driving modes adapt to your style, whether cruising the highway or dominating the racetrack. Safety and tech innovations are also front and center. The F-85 442 comes equipped with autonomous driving assist, collision prediction AI, 360 degrees cameras, and augmented reality heads-up display, ensuring control and safety at every turn. Despite its muscle heritage, this 2026 beast embraces eco-friendly technology, featuring mild hybrid assistance that boosts efficiency without compromising power. Oldsmobile's re-entry into the automotive arena with the F-85 442 isn't just about nostalgia, it's a statement. It revives a legend, redefines American performance, and restores Oldsmobile's pride as a symbol of innovation and power. The 2026 Oldsmobile F-85 442 is more than a car. It's a rebirth of attitude, a fusion of old-school dominance with modern sophistication, and proof that legends never die, they evolve. Whether you're a collector, enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the art of the automobile, the 2026 F-85 442 demands attention, respect, and admiration. It's not just a car, it's history reborn in horsepower.